The whisper of true power. In a world drowning in noise, what if your greatest strength lies in saying nothing at all? From ancient tacticians to modern psychologists, silence has been the stealth weapon of those who shape destinies without uttering a word. The art of silent dominance. True power isn't loud. It's a chess game played in shadows. Imagine a lion stalking its prey. It doesn't roar to announce its presence. It waits, observes, and strikes with lethal precision. Similarly, silence isn't passive. It's a calculated strategy. Ever shared an idea too early, only to watch others steal its thunder? Silence guards your plans, turning vulnerability into invincibility. The power of observation. Seeing beyond the surface. Observation isn't just seeing, it's decoding the world's hidden language. Like a detective at a crime scene, the patient observer notices frayed edges others miss, a flicker of doubt in a smile, a tremor in a confident voice. This skill transforms chaos into clarity, revealing opportunities masked as obstacles. Control through non-action, the river's wisdom. Why fight a current when you can flow around it? Non-action isn't laziness. It's the art of letting momentum work for you. Picture a fisherman waiting hours for the perfect catch. Restraint outmuscles haste. In conflicts, pause. Breathe. Let silence amplify your next move. The strategy of emptiness. Absence as a magnet. Mystery breeds influence. By saying less, you become a canvas others project onto, fueling curiosity and awe. Think of a magician whose silence heightens the illusion. Absence in relationships or social media can make your presence crave. Emptiness isn't void, it's space for power to grow. Mastery of control. The silent conductor's baton. Mastery isn't dominance, it's harmony between action and stillness. Like a composer, balance speech with silence. Journaling and mindful breathing become your tools to dissect impulses, transforming reactions into responses. As Lao Tzu said, "He who conquers himself is mighty." Your invitation to silent revolution. Silence isn't emptiness. It's the pause between musical notes that makes the melody unforgettable. Start small. 15 minutes of daily silence, a withheld reaction, a mystery cultivated. Share your experiments below. When did silence become your superpower? Unlock more mind secrets. Hit subscribe and let's dissect the next psychological puzzle together. What hidden power will we unveil? Hint: it's not what you hear,